Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to post on Reddit. So before you do anything, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and double check if the Reddit app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Reddit app. And as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now if I wanted to post, you're going to just click right here, the plus button to create, right? Now what you're going to do, you have more than one option. You can post like a folder from your photos right here after you enable access, or a video right here from your folder as well, or you can just post like a Q&A, something like that, or a poll, right? So basically you have more than one option, and you have the link option to post a link, and the title will be set by itself, and you can just add in the description of the link, right? So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just get back to it, and if you want to add like a title like hi, okay, and just type something like how are you or something like that. This is like an example to post on Reddit, right? And basically you're gonna see right here, if you want to add a video, poll, image, link, you can just have a better demonstration right here. And basically after you enable access, you'll be able to do it. Hit next right here at the top right, and now you get to be able to post it anywhere. If you want to post it in the NBA community or NFL community, or if you want to post it to your own community right here, okay? Just go ahead right here and do it, and just hit post at the top right, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.